You can make fried rice with just about any ingredients. Stir fry them with leftover rice, season, and you're done. If you just have eggs and rice, that's all right. But we love ours with some shrimp that gives the dish that extra umami. There are two ways to fry egg and rice. You can scramble the eggs first before adding in the rice. Or you could soak the rice in eggs and fry the mixture together. This way, make sure the rice is fluffy and coated with egg. One trick to a fluffy fried rice is to cook it with long grain rice, which is mostly used in southern China and Southeast Asia. It's less sticky than short grain rice. Fry the rice slowly to let the moisture evaporate. It's a quick and easy comfort food to make, and it'll definitely satisfy.
So tasty. Shrimp cooked this way is much better than the whole shrimp. The whole shrimp doesn't absorb it.